So I received an email from one of the staff members at NewsBreak, and she proceeded to tell me all the good things that she and NewsBreak had to say about my content. I was super happy to hear all the positive feedback. At the end of the email, there was a link to the NewsBreak video creator program. I applied, and shortly thereafter, I was accepted. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Kels Acosta, and I'm a content creator based out of New York City. For the last 24 months, I've been creating content online with a focus on food, travel, and NYC lifestyle. I believe a challenge for creators is that there aren't enough platforms to display their talent on at a high level. The amount of time a creator spends brainstorming, planning, filming, and editing to have 50 people see your video, it's kind of hard to sell to those who are looking to start their journey. Local creators have the opportunity to go out and to create their own destiny with their creativity. There's so much to see and do, especially in bigger cities. I think NewsBreak has a slight advantage over YouTube because they can provide real news and local content that you really can't get anywhere else. The amount of content you find on NewsBreak is unbelievable if you're willing to browse for a bit. YouTube has a slight advantage over NewsBreak because the lifespan of their videos are very extensive in comparison to a lot of other platforms. But YouTube doesn't pay nearly as well as NewsBreak. That's a fact. Let me tell you a little bit more about how I got started. Initially, I wanted to create a platform where I could help others see the benefit of world traveling. With most people being afraid, short on cash, or flat out just not knowing where or when to go, I managed to create some fun and unique videos to help with those challenges. With a background in video editing, I dusted off my skills, added a few new ones, and proceeded to create content online more consistently. Music and travel videos were my first videos that were published online, the how-to, DIY, which is do-it-yourself, motivational videos, and lastly, food videos. My favorite videos to make are food, travel, and lifestyle. All three have so much in common because they show what everyday life is like for a good amount of us. Everyone has to eat. Everyone has their own particular lifestyle. And I believe most of us have a deep desire to travel the world. So we're going from LaGuardia once again, back down to Miami. So it's fun to be able to create and capture these moments to share with everyone. I love getting the scoop on things to do in New York City, from music to sporting events, all the way down to food festivals. What do you have the Taiwan work for? You can show the people at home. And even new places that are open and available to the public. Which is why I enjoy going out and experiencing these type of events, to go out and to show people who may not be able to attend what they missed or what the experience might have been like. It makes them feel like they're there, and they are so appreciative for that. Absolutely. As a matter of fact, if you're watching this video right now, and you're a local video creator, I need you to pay attention. After this video, go online and apply at NewsBreak. Wait a day or two for the response, and in the meantime, make sure to send me a thank you note from wherever you are as soon as possible. It's the opportunity of a lifetime, guaranteed. My experience with NewsBreak has been nothing short of amazing so far. All the hard work I've been putting in over years are now finally paying off and paying the bills. They've allowed me to have 100% creative control with my content and my flexibility, which is everything. Man, that's a tough question. I enjoy all of them, but I would have to say my favorite video that I published on NewsBreak would be Best Food Trucks in NYC. People get super excited about food trucks, and it always does really well with my audience, so I'm glad I can go out and capture those memories and share them with everyone else. Well guys, thanks for hearing a little bit more about my story and my experiences. I hope this encourages you to start your journey or even stay on the path that you're currently on. Make sure to download NewsBreak and follow my channel guys. It's your boy Kels. We'll see you soon.